Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you a mistake that almost every single business owner who is DIYing their book comes to us with. If you're new here, thank you so much for checking us out. Alright, so let's jump into QuickBooks and walk you through how to properly record credit card payments so your records stay clean. Here's what your banking feed will look like when you get into QuickBooks. Over in the credit card feed, you'll see the payment went out. That's just an example, but I'm not really sure if it exists. Now, instead of categorizing these like a normal transaction, you want to record them as a credit card payment or match the transactions. Sometimes QuickBooks will try to be helpful and suggest something unrelated, like an owner's draw, so be careful not to auto add everything. Then open the payment. QuickBooks usually pre-fills it as a credit card payment. Verify the accounts match, then add it. When you check back, the payment should be correctly recorded in the register. To double check, make sure you see two online banking matches, one from your bank account and one from the credit card account. If you only see one, something's off and you might be duplicating or missing transactions. That's it, a simple way to keep your QuickBooks clean, accurate, and up to date. This ensures your reports are correct so you know exactly how much money you're making. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.